Hey Tom, welcome back. How you doing?
Doing good, doing good. Something I'm excited about today, device averages, Jeff.
Wait, you're excited about device averages.
Yeah, I'm excited about average here. Excited about it, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
funny.
So it
So
is a
what
new
are
dash.
device averages and why is it important, Tom?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's important because it actually is divided into two sections. We have this top section, top five devices, and then the averages over time. The top five devices, it gives the help desk professionals things they need to work on immediately. And where
Hmm.
the bottom section, it gives managers an overview of trending things like that.
Why
And
is
so
my
we are look.
Surface so bad on battery?
Yeah, I know. I saw that. And one thing we do is we do it on time base. So let's go
Oh,
for the last 7 days so we can populate some of these other screens. So yeah, for example, you can instantly see people with bad batteries that might need to get their batteries replaced. Let's go. Yeah, this is a smaller environment, so let's go with the top 15.
wow, yeah.
Yeah, and look at this device right here. Someone's Mac is just about out of free space, so you're definitely going to want to contact
Yeah.
them and have a talk with them about let's
Well,
kind of
this is
dive in.
interesting. This is interesting, Tom, because if like I've done a lot of research lately on like what are industry benchmarks as far as like CPU load. So how do I know when it's high, when it's low, when a disk is full? I mean, I can do my research, but what I see here is I can say, well, what's the average of everybody? Let's say it's on memory usage or something like that. And then when I dive down, or let's say it's on yeah, free disk space. And then
Yeah.
I could, when I drive down to a specific person, say, well, wow, this person's way better than average. So if I don't know what the benchmark is, I can kind of see what my average CPU queue length is. So because I don't know what's high and what's low, but if I look at the average, that can kind of give me a sense of a benchmark maybe. So when I drill down to a specific person, I can then say, well, wow, they're way out of the average, and that must be bad. Is that kind of how you see this really being useful?
Well, yeah, yeah, and it gives you the devices that, yep, yep, and so you can go in and investigate that particular device. Um, and then for the more of the managers, I think maybe what you're talking about is, take the averages of the entire environment and
Uh-huh.
get an idea how the entire environment's doing, especially after you roll out a new OS or new applications. Um, and so this will
Right.
show you that information. If, for example, if all of a sudden you see a huge spike, let's go maybe the last month, a huge spike in CPU utilization, maybe you got an application a manager needs to look at and say, is this right?
Or
CPU.
available memory usage, like maybe you have a memory
Yeah.
leak and everyone's availability just started just crashing after an update that some application had a bad leak, right?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And you knew this. You wanted me to set me up for this, so thank you about that. And these two bumps here, that's exactly what happened. Is we rolled out an application, all of a sudden we saw this memory usage. Um,
Roll back, try it
yep,
again, and then you got to peak again.
yeah, exactly. So we have these here that managers use. So I like this screen because it gives the help desk professionals uh, you know, an idea where to look at devices that need immediate attention, and then it allows managers to get a big overview picture of it.
Well, whenever anybody asks me how my day is going, I say average because my average is better than most. So, so with control of averages, you can really get a good sense of are your people, are your users' average day better than most, or is it worse than most?
Yep, exactly, Jeff.
That's awesome. Hey, thanks, Tom. We'll see you next time.
Okay, thanks, Jeff. Bye.